A pumpkin cinnamon roll is what you need on your Thanksgiving breakfast menu. The dough is a traditional yeast dough enriched with eggs, butter, and sugar, not to mention pumpkin and all the fall spices. This soft, fluffy roll is filled with pumpkin butter and cinnamon, and when mixed with love, it's a special treat for the whole family. Roll them and cut them and store them for breakfast the next day or eat them right away. Either way, they are delicious. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Frost with cream cheese frosting or not, whatever your preference. But come on over and get the full recipe and instructions at Memaw's house.